And that's also boys.
Yes, we're here in SM Molino. And it's already June 16.
Okay.
So, magwawalwal muna kami ng brain. Here, anak. Anak, mas ba? Baka doon.
Hello.
Guys, hindi free yung how to teach your dragon. Kaya nagbayad na lang ako, discounted na lang si Bri. So, waiting na kami. Waiting. Kasi 11:15 pa yung yung viewing. So, dito na kami, nakabili na rin kami ng socks niya and chips.
Chips.
What did you buy? Chips.
Chips.
So, antay na lang kami. Ayun, sinihan, ang daming pida for seniors. Ayun, ang daming nanonood puro seniors. Ballerina lang yung ballerina lang yung free. Kaya, yun po. Wait na lang kami. It's already 10:37. Siguro mga 10 minutes before 11 magpapasok na sila. How to train your dragon? We're here. Wala pa kaming kasama. Baka may makita kayo din, guys. Na hindi namin nakikita. What are you going to watch?
Hi, John.
Dragon. It's 10:57 na, guys. Wala kaming kasama. Kami lang muna. Hindi siya free. Nagbayad na lang kami. Huling hirit namin ni Babe sa bakasyon. Next week, pasok na nila. Smile. Akin na lang. Sige na, go anak. Go. What's this? Oh, what did you say? Oh, let's go na. Go home na or go to RFC? Okay. Let's buy scissor again. Walang katapusang scissor. What color do you want? The small one only. Is that small? Let's look for another one. No more scissor. Lagi na lang tayong bumibili ng scissor. Ito lang ang napamili namin. Halos meron na siyang gamit. What else do you stay there, you fall in line. What do you need?
2,000 years later.
Good morning, guys. So, today is the first day of school nila, Brave. July 1. Bali, hindi pa regular class. 2 hours lang sila. So, ito lang ang ano yan. Say hi, anak.
Hi.
Hindi ko pa siya pinagupitan. Kasi nagre-rebelde pa kami. O, yan. Nagre-rebelde pa kami dahil nga last minute na naman sila nag-announce ng araw ng pasok, first day of class. Ang alam namin June 23. Kaya kinat ko yung swimming lessons ni Brave kasi akala ko papasok siya ng June 23. Tapos parang 10 days before July 1, nag-announce na July 1 ang kaya medyo inis pa ako. Yan. So, pero papagupitan ko na din siya this week para next week regular class na maayos na yung kanyang hair. So, ito pa lang ang kanyang bag. Yan. So, small bag pa lang siya kasi 2 hours. So, yan, notebook. Yan. Notebook and yung kanyang baon ito lang. So, ang request niya, hash brown. Tapos, marshmallow. At saka may cookies. Yan lang for the meantime. Yan. Close mo, anak. Yan. Saka, ito yung notebook. Binenta ko. Hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos ng notebook. So, kasi mali yung binigay na notebook sa amin ng ng accounting. Kaya ibinenta ko na to kay Mami Trish. Wait lang, hindi ko mapakita. Guys, yan. Ito yung binigay sa amin, hindi yan mali yan. Sa mas mahal ng 10 pesos. Nabenta ko na yan kay Mami Trish. So, ayan si Brave. Kami anak, put your hair sa yan, like that. Like that, no? Yan, ang dami na naman pimples. Yan. Guys, it's already 6:25. Alis na kami kasi Monday. Baka ma-traffic kami ng husto. So, see you again later. Later. See you later sa school. Brave is grade 6 na. What's your grade? 6. Si grade 6. Grade 6. Morning, Tay! Balik na po sa school. Morning! Matagalin.